What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best PC cases in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you want to save a few dollars and still get a good product, your winning pick is the Corsair 4000D Airflow, the best budget PC case available on the market in 2021. When designing the 4000D Airflow, as the title suggests, the company gave a lot of attention to cooling, securing good ventilation and airflow. Therefore, the case offers an exceptional cooling potential for the listed price tag. The spacious interior can accommodate up to 6 120mm fans or 4 140mm fans, along with multiple radiators, including a 360mm one in the front and a 280mm on the ceiling, depending on the room your RAM occupies. The Corsair 4000D Airflow chassis is made of steel with plastic elements, as well as slightly dimmed tempered glass. Outside in the back, we find the power plug at the bottom, as well as 7 horizontal and 2 vertical PCI slots. Moving from the bottom of the chassis, we find 4 legs with a textured rubber lining on the base. These provide a better fixation and reduce the sliding of the box. Also included in the mix is a removable dust filter for the power supply. The basic cables for the housing connectors stick out from the top and are mostly hidden by the chassis design. Like the PSU slot, you'll get 2 3.5-inch slots as well as 2 side drives for 2.5-inch SSDs. The chassis includes the Corsair air guide fans that use anti-vortex blades, allowing airflow concentration and improving the housing cooling. What users additionally like is the 4000D offers an inch of free space between the side cover and the inner metal that can be used for more cable management. For the listed price, color us thoroughly impressed. The next product on our list for today is the NZXT H510 Elite, aka the best design PC case you can find on the market in 2021. The NZXT H510 Elite is quite similar to its predecessor, only now we have the front with cool tempered glass, including a pair of 140mm AER RGB fans on the front and an F120 on the back. Apart from the main chassis, the package includes screws for component installation, an F-panel adapter, eye splitter for headphones, and detailed installation instructions. The device is built of high-quality SGCC steel for the inner chassis and opaque outer panels and double-sided tempered glass. Here, the manufacturer did a stellar job with a very thick case, sturdy yet practical, something we really like. The big novelty of this casing is undoubtedly the inclusion of 3 fans. On the front, we have the most important addition, as NZXT H510 Elite includes tempered glass that also comes with a PSU cover. The NZXT H510 Elite includes a 120mm fan pre-installed on the rear. On the lower part, you'll find a set of 4 rubber feet that raise the chassis an inch from the floor. That way, the air retention hole on the PSU will work in the best possible way. The device also has a high-quality dust filter made of small grafts, installed on a removable plastic frame. If we move to the frontal area, we'll see several rails with 4 clearly visible screws, which are responsible for holding a 3.5-inch drive cabinet. The good thing about this configuration is that we can easily move the cabinet in order to put in large power sources. The design is definitely what makes this product stand out, so if you like a practical casing, easy cable management, cool looks, and all that good stuff, this is the one. The title of the best modular PC case that can be found in the market in 2021 was quite rightly taken by the Phanteks Eclipse P500A. The P500A is a premium central tower that offers high-performance airflow in style. It features the same ultra-fine performance grid front panel as the award-winning P400A and P300A casings, each known for high airflow. The ultra-fine performance grid is designed using advanced Phanteks sheet metal technology. It allows high-density perforations of just 1mm to ensure efficient dust filtration and maximum airflow. Inside the Phanteks P500A are huge storage capacities, up to 10 hard drives or 13 SSDs. Wow! Also included in the mix is the dual support system. The P500A comes with a tempered glass side panel with hinges that display all the inside components and is easy to remove for easy installation or maintenance. If you need a lot of storage space, this is the one you want. The maximum compatibility for CPU coolers is 190mm, while the link for the GPU is 435. For the PSU, 195 or 250mm, depending on whether you use a 4K HDD lower bracket. You can also turn the P500A into a dual system carrier chassis. The kit comes with a special bracket and lifting cable, but it is recommended to purchase a Phanteks Revolt X power supply to power the dual systems from a single unit. The product comes in the size of 16.85 by 8.27 by 18.11 inches, as well as a weight of 19.95 pounds. As for the shortcomings, some users stated that, in their opinion, the front fans do not have a large enough and adequate suction space. The Phanteks Eclipse P500A chassis has established a reputation as a new central tower, in addition to the Eclipse line of high-performance airflow. Meanwhile, the new PVM fans of the Phanteks SK series have 9 blades for high airflow and quiet operation, with DRGB option. Now, onto the airflow department. For all you folks who are looking for a PC case that will deliver the best and highest quality airflow, we say look no further than the Cooler Master H500. We can freely say that this fella is the best high airflow PC case you can find on the market in 2021. The Cooler Master Case H500P is one of those cases that managed to stand out from the others, with features that are not easy to find in other available models. This device uses a combination of the highest quality SECC steel and mixes it with plastic. It also includes a large tempered glass window located on the main side to follow the current trend, because in the middle of the RGB area, it is somewhat of a sin to not be able to enjoy lighting on our components due to lack of windows, right? On the front panel, you'll find a traditional panel with numerous connectors. In terms of connectivity, the Cooler Master Case H500P sports a pair of USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, and a 3.5mm port for audio and micro. On the back, you'll find the power plug, expansion slots, a pre-installed 140mm fan, and a hole for motherboard connectors. Furthermore, to prevent dust from entering the power supply, the device features a filter that we can quickly remove and periodically clean. The Master Case H500P offers great flexibility thanks to the possibility of installing mini ITX, micro ATX, and ATX motherboards. This will adapt to everyone's taste, or at least they'll try to do it in the best possible way. As for the CPU heatsink, the device supports 190mm models, so there will be no problems installing the largest and most powerful air-cooled heatsinks on the market. The Cooler Master Case H500P comes equipped with two 200mm fans on the front, much larger than the traditional fans of 120mm or 140mm. These will generate a much higher airflow, while allowing to maintain a lower motor speed for quieter operation. The mix also includes a 140mm rear fan for expelling hot air. These fans have RGB LED lighting to improve the aesthetics of the set and make it look the best on your desk. Cooler Master H500 will also be very useful for fans of liquid cooling because it is compatible with various refrigerator mounts. An easy thumbs up from here. Finally, we have unanimously decided to award the title of the best overall PC case that can be found in the market in 2021 to the Cooler Master Cosmos C700P. Only quality things last a long time, and the best proof to support this claim is the Cooler Master Cosmos series of cases. Made of tempered glass, it really looks impressive. There are 2 key details with which the Cosmos C700P grabs its future owners, and many more surprises are hidden under the hood. Firstly, the slim vertical intake vents offer space for 3 140mm fans that draw fresh air into the interior of the case. This position uses a special bracket to install the water cooling radiator, and 320mm and even mega-sized 420mm models are supported. Then, the Cosmos C700P case model can accommodate a maximum of 10 fans, which is top-notch. It comes pre-configured with 2 140mm models on the front panel and 1 140mm exhaust fan on the rear position behind the CPU bay. The fans have a 3-pin connector, which excludes the possibility of PWM control of the operating mode of those fans. They are known for quiet operation with the primary purpose of increasing the airflow inside the casing, which is why their maximum number of revolutions is limited to 1200 spins per minute. Hence, they are almost silent. Also, it's possible to install additional fans on the bottom of the housing. The most striking details on the Cosmos C700P are the left side panel made entirely of tinted tempered glass and the presence of decorative LED light strips that practically surround the entire body of the case. The stylized front panel with connectors and LED lighting include 4 USB 3.0 and 1 USB 3.1 port with special Type-C, a double-sided connector for connecting newer devices, which you will rarely find in competitors in this price range. Also, The Cooler Master Cosmos C700P is one of the few cases on the market that, thanks to its sophisticated design, have a highly modular interior whose layout can be radically changed. This primarily refers to the position of the motherboard, which you can turn and rotate 180 degrees, as well as the accompanying components. As for the predicted positions of the installation of disks, we notice changes in accordance with current trends. In the standard configuration, there are 2 places for installing 3.5-inch HDD disks and 2 for 2.5-inch SSD devices. This is a sufficient number of options given that today's boards have at least 1 or more slots for M.2, U.2 SSDs. On the other hand, the effect of such a move is to gain much more free space and free the central cell from physical obstacles. You wanted the best? Well, this is it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.